Hey folks, it's Russ Pye. Today's Monday, August 23rd, 2021. In this video, I'm going to talk about Leadsleap. It's a traffic exchange that's been around since 2008. I've heard about it. I never really paid attention to it until recently, and I'm liking it so much that I thought I'd do a video on it. It's actually more than a traffic exchange, and I'm going to go over that right now with you, okay? So first thing, what I always do when I find a program is I like to find reviews about it. So I like trustpilot.com. And they actually have 17 reviews. It has a 4.3 stars out of 5. If we come down here and look, 82% of the people gave it a 5-star rating, 12% gave it a 4-star rating, and then you have one person that gave it a 1-star. So I started with the 1-star review, and I notice here it says, member purchases an ad with cash or credits, and then you stick a bunch of other ads in the face of the visitor to lead him away from the purchased ad. So right there, I know that the person leaving this review really isn't familiar with this type of traffic exchange, because a traffic exchange is just that. You agree to place your ad. In return, you're going to view other people's ads, okay? So there's no way, I haven't seen anything about, Leadsleap pulling people away from the ads I posted and putting new ones in my face. That's the whole point of this. Okay, so I ignored this 1-star review, and you can just see here, you can come and check this out. But it's been around since 2008, like I mentioned, and it's really more than a traffic exchange. So I saw the reviews, I've heard other people talk about it, and I just thought I'd try it out. So over here on the main site, you can see that there's 119,000 members. There's 28 million real visitors sent, and there's 56,000 people using the app, which is in beta right now. What can you get from Leadsleap? In short, you'll have access to all these once you join free. Free traffic to your websites, free autoresponder service, your own list, not co-owned, which is really cool. For those of you who don't know what that is, that means some sites that when you get somebody on your list, you share them with the site. These, when they go on your list, they're all yours. So that's really cool. A free page builder, hosting included, free pop-up generator, hosting included, free link tracker that can differentiate bot versus human traffic, make free money while benefiting from all these. Alright, so basically almost everything you need to create a successful online business can be found in your free membership. Seeing is believing. Create an account now and see what is available to you. Cancel if you don't like it. Who knows, it may be the turning point for your online success like many of our members. So I'm just going to go through these tabs up here and just to give you a brief introduction of what it is, and then moving forward I'll be doing videos that break down other aspects inside the back office here, okay? So the free traffic, there's 4 ways to get you traffic and leads. The first one is advertise. So you put up an ad, you're going to advertise it to other members in the group. Your ad will be shown to our members. Our members are incentivized to view your ads. I know what you're thinking. So this is just another traffic exchange or PTC program where members click an ad, wait for a 10 to 20 second countdown to lapse, then move on to another ad to earn more credits. No such a countdown system is flawed. Let me ask you, if there is a countdown, what will you do when the time is up? Yes, you will leave. This kind of countdown system pushes visitors away from your ad after 10 to 20 seconds instead of encouraging them to stay and learn more about your offer. We do it differently. We have created a proprietary system to measure visitor surfing duration for third-party links. With this system, we know who are really surfing and how long they've surfed. We reward members based on their surfing duration. The longer they surf your ad, the more credits they earn. Alright, so basically you're earning credits for every ad that you see, and then you can use those credits to promote your ad. Alright, you can advertise to the world. Okay, I'm exaggerating when I say advertise to the world. What happens is we run a PPC program, and this part is really cool, and I'll do other videos moving forward about this, but this is what I really like about this program. We reward publishers and marketers to show your ads on their websites and in their tracking links. Let's look at the stats. Our ad impressions are more than 400,000 per day. Our ad widgets are shown in over 4,000 websites and blogs, plus over 30,000 trackers that are shown in the most popular traffic exchanges, paid-to-click programs, safe lists, and forums. Is this the industry you want to target? If your answer is yes, then we offer you a shortcut to reach out across the entire industry. All right, here's a little testimonial. Leadsleap is light years ahead of every other lead generation tool I have used. The tools are easy to use and they are absolutely unique. Leadsleap has produced quality traffic from our other half's blog, which is in a very small and specialized niche. It also produces quality signups for every program I have advertised to date. I look forward to using Leadsleap for a long, long time. So the third way is to get search engine traffic. One of the proven ways to get quality leads is by writing product reviews and getting traffic from the search engines. Leadsleap operates a search engine optimized social review directory. Not any kind of content will rank well in the search engines. First, Leadsleap.com is an aged authority site. Second, the social review is a consolidated review directory with unique and fresh reviews being added from time to time. It is a great resource for people looking for different reviews from real users. Search engines love our social review because it provides true values to their users. All right, here's another testimonial. The fourth way to get traffic is multiply a few leads into thousands. Leadsleap system comes with a 10-level network builder. Imagine if you refer 10 people to Leadsleap and they do the same. You will have 100 extra followers at level 2, 1,000 followers at level 3, 10,000 followers at level 4, and 10 billion followers at level 10. Well, that's in theory. Realistically, it's much lower, but still pretty explosive. Take a look at the case study below. All right, so this person turned 9 referrals into 9,500 leads. This person turned 56 referrals into 52,355 leads. You may be wondering, is this MLM? No, we are not. Our 10-level network is only for leads building purpose. Our program is free to join. Our affiliate program is a 1-level affiliate program. It's free to become an affiliate. Is this a safe list? Will I be flooded with tons of emails? This is actually another cool part about this. We are not a safe list or mailer system. Members can't email members. So your box is not going to get flooded like other places, safe list mailers and whatnot. They have a program in here that's pretty cool that you can contact your followers inside the system. Then how do I contact my 10 levels of followers? We have a unique, sustainable, and annoyance-free communication system that allows you to reach out to 10 levels of your followers unobtrusively. This system is more effective and more sustainable than member-to-member email or private message. All right, and then there's some more testimonials here. Now we'll go up and I'll talk about the free tools. Almost every tool you need is here for free. Here's a list of tools you can find in Leadsleap: a list management system, a landing page builder, pop-up generator, link tracker, and rotator. All right, so the list management system, you can build a list, has an autoresponder, automated emails, broadcast system, and a tracking. And the tracking is really good too. Like I said, I'll do other videos with all of this in more detail, but this is just a pretty simple, quick overview of what you get with Leadsleap. All right, so it's no longer a secret. The key to building a successful online business is in list building. To help you build your own list, we've created a complete list management system called sendsteed.com. It has all the essential functions you need for list building, including double opt-in, automatically send out welcome email with download link, send email broadcast to multiple lists, schedule those email broadcasts in advance, automatically track email and link open rates, smart filtering to ensure subscribers in multiple lists only receive the same broadcast once, automatically send out follow-up emails, e-course, or email series for pro members only. All right, so it has a really cool list management system. It has a landing page builder. You can create squeeze pages, review pages, opt-in pages. It's fully hosted on the platform. There's a pop-up expert. It's an opt-in form, pop-up generator. All right, and you can create almost any kind of pop-up you can think of. A light box, corner pop-up, slide out, exit, intent pop-up, one on-click pop-up, animated inline widget, end-of-page inline widget, inline pop-up opt-in form, and many more. All right, you can add this to your blog or website. There's no hosting required. You can add it to your link tracker. Then it's called the Real Tracker, first of its kind link tracker and rotator. Why is this so special? It's probably the only tracker that allows you to track the surfing duration of visitors to your affiliate links or third-party links. You see, conventional link trackers only track clicks. They can't tell whether the clicks are real visitors, how long they have surfed on your site, and whether they have taken actions. You may be thinking, well, there is Google Analytics. Google Analytics only works if you are the webmaster. If you want to track a third-party link, such as an affiliate link, you can't. But with the Real Tracker, you can. All right, so this goes into all kinds of... It's pretty cool what you can do with this. And so those are the free tools. And now I'm going to talk about the 4 different ways that you can make money using Leadsleap. All right, the first one is to participate in our PPC program. So you should be familiar with PPC program. It stands for pay per click. Many advertising platforms pay you to send traffic to their advertisers' links. We too, except you can do it with or without your own website. If you have a website, you can add our widget to it. When people view the ads, you make money. And this is what one of the widgets looks like. I had this running on my workwithrust.com blog, and I also have it on a couple landing pages that I created through Leadsleap, and I've actually made some money with this already. So I really like the PPC because you can earn some decent money with it, and it's very simple to do. And you don't need a website, okay? 2, you can become an active member. You can be an active member with just 10 ad clicks via your ad widgets in a day. No, you don't have to pay a cent to participate in this program. Every member is eligible. It is our way to say thank you for being an active member. So, depending on if you're a free member or a paid member, that dictates on how much of the how much you're eligible for each day. And I'll do another video with the free versus the pro. But it's another way to earn money. Just by clicking 10 ads, you're going to get a little bit of money every day from the company. All right, convert your credits into cash. There are many ways to earn credits in Leadsleap. For example, you earn credits whenever someone views ads via your ad widget. You also earn credits when you rate ads or report problem ads to us. If you're an advertiser, you can use these credits to advertise for free and get targeted traffic to your sites. If you have nothing to advertise, you can convert your credits into cash. Why do we allow members to encash their credits? The reason is simple. We are serious about the quality of ads posted in the network. If we don't allow members to encash their credits, they may simply advertise anything just to use up their credits. This will degrade the ad quality in the system. So they've thought of everything here. And then, of course, number 4 is the recurring affiliate commissions. This is basically when somebody joins as a free member and they upgrade to pro, you can make 25 to 50% depending if you're a free member or a pro member. All right. And these are recurring commissions, so as long as the person is staying and paying the monthly fee, you're going to earn a commission. And it says here, founded in 2008, we are still paying some of our founding members commissions. So, and then there's a bunch of testimonials here and a bunch of testimonials over here that you can check out. And like I said, you can check out Trustpilot too, has a bunch of them. So anyway, I'm going to, that's just a quick overview of what this system has to offer. I'm going to be doing other videos, like I mentioned a couple times before, that go into greater detail. There's a lot that can overwhelm somebody, especially if they're new with this type of advertising platform. So I just figure I'll just give a brief overview now, and then I'll start breaking down the inside of the back office over the next few weeks, okay? So anyway, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. My contact info is in the description box below. Also, if you want to join Leadsleap, I have my affiliate link down there below. I have also set up a training page that shows you how to create a money-making website. Actually, I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm going to log in here, and I'm just going to show you really quick. I won't go into too much detail. As you can see, I'm a pro member here. I upgraded right away. It didn't take any convincing. I just knew right away that this was going to be something that's awesome. I've created this page here. So if you're on Safe Lists, you're probably going to see this page pop up here and there. All right, it says make $10 to $100 a day using Leadsleap. Right here is the ad widget. So people visit this and they click on one of these. I make a commission from the company. Also, it says complete the steps below and find out how you can set up your own free automated Leadsleap system. So you can click on the link below. It'll take you to this page. You can join Leadsleap right here. You can enter your name and email. It takes you over to a training page, and I will show you step by step how to set up and get your own page like this. All right, it's basically using a share code that I have, and you'll get a page that looks similar to this. All right, so that's it for now. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Be well. Stay safe. Peace out.